What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another installment of Motovation 3 with Motovlog. And well, most of the time we talk about motorcycles, but today we're not going to talk about motorcycles. I got something else that's kind of piqued my interest going on in the media today. It has been for a couple of weeks now, but it's kind of got a little light here of late. And granted, it's made a hell of a lot of funny memes about it. But what I'm talking about is the Area 51 raid. It's a Facebook page that came out and said that it was an Area 51 raid. Was going to storm Area 51 and let the aliens go. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think of aliens, I think of all these movies that I've seen in the past, where if it's a bunch of ETs running around, yeah, I'm cool with that. But if they got a bunch of predators in there, nah, I don't want any part of that. But I don't know what's going on. But now, Area 51, located a little bit, I think, south of Las Vegas. And they get a lot of traffic through there anyway, just because it's such a big tourist area. And I'm wondering if they would even realize, you know, the influx of people in that area around that time, you know, seeing that there is so many people already in that area. But I don't know. And I was reading today that the Air Force made a formal statement talking about their training because of this Facebook page, in anticipation that this may happen. Now, I don't know. It's a Facebook page, man. I really don't think that 1.3 million people are going to be at the gates of Area 51 on August the 20th. But if there is, I kind of like want to be there. You know, I'm one of those people, I want to see what happens. But I want to be at a distance because I'm not trying to get shot either. Because they also released that also, that the last person that tried to come in there ended up getting shot. I mean, that was kind of crazy to me that they would actually even say that, but I guess and they probably really got something they hide in there. Sorry guys, I just had to do that. Traction control's on. It doesn't want to come up as good with traction control on. But anyway, it's fun. Anyway, get back on topic. Now, if there was to be 1.3 million people end up at Area 51, I'm wondering if the government could stop them. I mean, granted, these people are coming in, you know, they're supposedly going to be peaceful. I don't know if they're peaceful, but they're not going to have military capability. They won't have machine guns and rocket launchers and things like that armed with them. So, I mean, their whole slogan on Facebook was, "They can't stop us all." Well, I mean, that may be true, but do you want to be one of the ones that does get stopped and there not be anything there other than, you know, it's an Air Force hangar, I believe it is what it really is, or what they say it is. There's an interstate. So I don't know, guys. Down in the comment section, let me know what you think about it. I mean, do you think that there's really aliens there. Like I said, if it's little ETs, I'm cool. We can go get them little suckers. But if there's a bunch of predators or the alien movie aliens with the acid blood and all that jazz, nah, you can leave me out on that. I don't want no sucker on my face coming to my chest later on. But let me know, guys, do you believe that there are aliens out there? I mean, I haven't ever seen an alien, and I'm a firm believer of believing what you can see, but I'm not so narcissistic to think that we're the only intelligent life out there either. So I don't know, guys. But anyway, I just want to put this short vlog out here, talk about that Area 51 raid. I kind of want to see what you guys have to say about it. Maybe we can get into some intelligent or not so intelligent conversation in the comments. But it's maybe get something good to talk about. But alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all here. Enjoy my little ride, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, guys, peace.